Stop throwing away fresh dill. Today, you'll learn a simple chef's freezing trick that keeps dill flavorful and fresh for months. Fresh dill spoils quickly in the refrigerator, but freezing it correctly helps reduce waste while preserving its delicious herbal flavor. Rinse the dill under cool running water to remove dirt, then gently shake away excess moisture before drying completely. Pat every stem dry using paper towels or a salad spinner. Dry herbs freeze better and prevent unwanted ice crystals. Finely chop the dill and divide it into small portions so you only use exactly what each recipe needs. Place chopped dill into freezer bags or airtight containers, remove as much air as possible, then seal them tightly. For even greater convenience, freeze chopped dill inside ice cube trays with olive oil for perfectly measured cooking portions. Add frozen dill directly into soups, sauces, seafood, eggs, or vegetables without thawing to enjoy fresh herb flavor instantly. Label every container with the freezing date and use your frozen dill within several months for the best possible quality. Now you know the chef's secret. Like, subscribe, comment your favorite herb, and share this helpful kitchen trick with friends.